As you can see, looking like I like to draw. I love to draw. Like, I mean it. Just you can see it. I'm a little bit vlog. I'm a little bit vlogging. So, as you can see, my banana is growing. That is my wish. Because I'm a bacon right now, but I'm not a bacon right now. I have a pepper and banana, and it's I wish I were but what are you doing? Oh, hello. Sorry. Feed. Oh, hello, little bacon. Let's buy an egg. Okay, guys. Yeah, like, please be. That is my wish. That is my. What the Sigma? What is this? Like, it's too expensive. Don't want to make too expensive. But I have a $2 billion collections. That is my collection. What's this? What? That is stone block. Hey, yo! So, I have hell nah! I never seen a shop like a free. That's again, like that I buy last time. Bro, let's sell all the things we have. Nothing to buy. Oh, I forgot. Guys, forgot. I forgot. As you can see, my mango is here, and there's 2 mango I put in here, but I remember my last account was super overpowerful here, but this is my older account. This is Oh, that is not my garden. I'm so silly. I am so dumb. Why I should do that? That is too expensive. What the stone blossom gold sun? Oh my god, there's there's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. I do obviously have this power, but I didn't know I was overpowerful. Let's see here. Oh my god, my capybara is escaping from me. Oh God, where is me? Where is me? Where is me? Where's me? Oh, this is me. Noob one. That is me, guys. Noob one. So, bye bye, guys. Bye, guys.